Today we're going to talk you through how a KS2 Maths tutorial would work. For each webinar, we will produce a PowerPoint that is based around a specific topic and then take students through the slides. Within each slide, there are diagrams and definitions, as well as a variety of exercises for the students to complete. To give you a demonstration of what a webinar looks like, we have created a shortened PowerPoint around improper fractions for the purpose of this infomercial. And success criteria for this session. Our learning objective is to change improper fractions into mixed numbers, and our success criteria is I understand what improper fractions and mixed numbers are. I can explain how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, and I can try my hardest to answer every question, and if I'm unsure, I can ask my teacher. So, let's start off by having a look at what an improper fraction actually is. An improper fraction, otherwise known as a top-heavy fraction, is a fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. So, for example, if we have a look at this fraction here, 8 over 6, the numerator is 8, the denominator is 6. As you can see, 8 is larger than 6, therefore this fraction is improper or top-heavy. Well, it shows us how many equal parts the shape is split up into. In this case, it is 6 equal parts, as you can see here. The numerator, in this instance 8, shows us how many parts we actually have. So, if we have 8 over 6, the fraction basically spills over into 2 different ones, as you can see here. Now, keep that in your head and we'll move on to mixed numbers, okay? So when we convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, we are creating something new. It is a combination of a whole number and a small fraction written next to it. Take a look below. We've got 1 whole and 2 over 6. The whole number is the 1 and the fraction is 2 over 6. So what does this actually mean? If we think about what we said before, 8 over 6 is actually 2 fractions, 6 over 6 and 2 over 6, as you can see here. Keep looking at those diagrams. As you can see, 6 over 6 is the same as a whole. So we have a whole and a little fraction next to it. This whole thing is a mixed number. By using these diagrams, we have converted 8 over 6 into 1 whole and 2 sixths. So now, just to give us a bit of practice, I'd like you to have a go at these 3 questions here. You have to write the proper fractions and mixed numbers represented by the shapes below. At the end of each week, homework will be sent out to each child, including a mark scheme and instructions. If there are any more questions about the session, you can book a one-on-one session with one of our tutors. For more information, follow our page Sammy Allen Tutoring, where you can also sign up now.